Hello everyone, it's Mandy Ross with Gwen's Foxy Nest, and I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer. And today we are going to take that bar stool we worked on yesterday and make it a statement piece for your home, or if you're a reseller, to attract your customers. So first I'm just going to lay down the plaid transfer, and now I'm using what we call a circle mask on top of it. I'm going to get it lined up and make sure it's in the center. And then I'm going to start, just take my pace, and you're going to start in the circle and you're going to work your way out into the plaid. And I did kind of find that the extra layer there was a little too much. So I peeled back that first layer and just worked with the plaid transfer and just making sure that I didn't get into the circle. So I'm going to do that all the way around. And guys, if you guys are liking this content, make sure that you share it with your friends and family and in groups, so it helps me make more good quality content. So once we get that done, I'm going to be pulling up both of the transfers and pulling that back. There you go. So you can kind of see that we have a circle there, and I'm going to get it dry because we got to finish it off. So I'm going to use the same transfer, and I love about, just like you would a stencil, you want to line up the design so you can finish it off. And what I love about our transfers is just you don't need that many hands because this is sticky. So it just it sticks on by itself, and you can finish out your work with just you. No extra hands needed. Once we have that done, I'm going to use one of our Farmhouse transfers, and I'm going to put on Fresh from the Farm with our black paste. So I'm just going to get it lined up there, and then I'm just going to smooth on some black paste and get it done. And guys, I used the plaid transfer with a customer, and she had just spent 2 weeks trying to do one with her Cricut, and she signed up on the spot because she was amazed that this could be done within 5 minutes. So it's a great time saver and frustration. So with Chalk Couture, you just get to have fun and be creative. So there you go, guys. After this, I will spray it with a clear sealer, and then ta-da! There it is, your statement piece for your home or your store. So thanks, guys, for joining, and appreciate all your support. Bye.